Hi. In this video, we will see choose, a nice function in Excel. Choose is a great tool for financial modeling. It allows Excel users to build various scenarios which can be critical when dealing with an uncertain environment and building a dynamic model. The formula works in the following way. We need to select an index number as the first argument. The index cell is important as it allows us to choose from a set of values. The other arguments of the formula are the actual values from which we will choose based on the index number. Let's see the practical implementation. We have a table with 3 scenarios regarding the development of revenues in a firm. There is an optimistic case, a base case, and a worst case. Let's type the choose formula in C4. Its first argument, the index, will be the cell I4, which is currently equal to 1. The 3 values from which the formula will select will be C7, C8, and C9, respectively. Okay, so we are in the optimistic case for 2011. If we change the value in cell I4 to 2, then the base case will be selected. If we change it to 3, the worst case will be selected. Pretty nice, right? Let's copy the formula for the other years. Please note that the index number is fixed and is the same for all of the years. The choose formula allows us to change the revenue figures for all 4 years contemporaneously. By changing the index number, I am able to select a given row of cells. Please be aware that the index number has to be a numerical value, and that the range of its possible values starts from 1 and goes to 254. In the valuation model, which is a part of this course, you can see a practical example of how choose can be applied in order to build scenarios within a financial model.